Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of effortless cleaning with the BCJJ 2024 upgraded cordless electric spin scrubber, a game changer for your household chores. This powerful scrubber features a robust motor with 3 adjustable speeds, reaching up to 450 RPM, and comes equipped with 9 versatile brush heads, making it perfect for tackling any cleaning task from bathroom tiles to bathtubs. With its IPX5 waterproof rating and an impressive 2-hour runtime, this scrubber ensures you can clean without interruptions, while the intelligent display keeps you informed about the remaining battery power. The innovative 3-section design allows for easy installation and disassembly in just 10 seconds, extending up to 52 inches for those hard-to-reach areas, and can be transformed into a handheld unit for added convenience. Say goodbye to back-breaking scrubbing, as this spin scrubber does the work for you, cutting cleaning time from minutes to seconds. Plus, with a USB-C charging cable included, keeping your scrubber powered up is a breeze. BCJJ offers 24/7 customer service and lifetime satisfaction, making this scrubber not just a tool, but a thoughtful gift for your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.